All right, about to show this video starting the 1967 Ford Mustang. Here we go. There it is. There's the motor. I'm going like this. I walk around. Let's go real quick. Here's the cars going around. This is the front end of it right here. Alright. Here. I'll go ahead and show you the upholstery. This is the front seat. Here, passenger. Mustang there. Dashboard. Here, back seats. Tires all the same. Okay, have original hubcaps. Okay, and the only thing, everything's original here. The only thing that we changed out was the radio. We have it in the back in case you want to reinstall it, but that's what we're listening to right now. All right, thank you very much.